All right. I don't think that's the view. I think that's the view. At least for these initial little runovers. That was rude of me. I'm sorry. I should show you guys what we're rocking. Little mini bike. Got the front and rear suspension. Yes, sir. Hey, if you didn't know, Jesus was a refugee. That's true. And Jesus loves you, friend. Rear tires looking a bit bald. I'm gonna need to get some sun-ups on there, some upgrades. That's a little battery holder. It's not plugged up right now, but I got